in accordance with the powers conferred on the visitor as the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic and visitor to the University of Benin, now have the gracious pleasure to formally install you as the 9th Chancellor of the University of Benin.
The Emir of Kano, Muhammad Sanusi II, being installed as the 9th Chancellor of the University of Benin by the representative of President Muhammadu Buhari. President Buhari, who was represented by the Minister for Education, Alhaji Adamu, said the federal government is working hard to improve the fortunes of federal universities in the country. The president said the federal government will do everything possible to cure the rot in the educational system and sued for the cooperation of school management.
It is my hope that the University of Benin will continue its tradition of grooming quality leaders, smart entrepreneurs, reputable scholars for national development.
In his response, the new Chancellor of the University of Benin, His Royal Highness Mai Mataba Sarakin Kanu Muhammad Sanusi II, said he will consolidate on the successes so far recorded and uphold the lofty aspirations of his predecessor. The Chancellor commended the team spirit which he said exists in the university community.
To all members of the University of Benin community, I commend your team spirit and urge you to continue to work in harmony. Let it be known that until all components of the university show themselves capable of working harmoniously together, the high hopes of the university cannot be easily realized. I therefore plead with every one of you to place the overall interests of the university above personal or sectional interests.
In an address, the Vice Chancellor of the University of Benin, Professor Faraday Urunese, scored his administration high and listed some of his achievements to include regular promotion of staff, maintenance of peace on the campus, and infrastructural development, while the Pro-Chancellor, Senator Effiong Dixon Bob, expressed the hope that the installation of the Emir of Kano as the 9th Chancellor will have positive effect on the development of the University of Benin.
This administration is also giving more strength on term to create a befitting environment for learning of students. In the result of this, the administration has put in place an up-to-date routine maintenance of existing public utilities on campus, especially students' hostels. The public incidents of autism and other certificate devices have been reduced to the barest minimum, with increased level of security surveillance achieved to the deployment of 6 patrol vehicles and other security guidance.
It's a well-deserved appointment for the University of Benin. He's a man of good character, a questionable test for excellence, transparency and accountability. To have such a man of integrity to the University of Benin is a good feature.
Dignitaries who include several traditional rulers from across the country, top government functionaries and business executives were in attendance. A luncheon was later held for guests at the Indoor Sports Hall of the university. Pius Nsogo reporting.